Good day viewers, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to set solar pump RPM. This is the power button. Let's just press it. After you press the power button, then you wait a little bit. This is the RPM, as you can see, where it indicates this green light is written. RPM is written, that is the speed in which the pump produce water. So if you want to reduce the RPM, you can either press up or down, and this is the up and this is down button. You can either press one of them to reduce or increase your RPM. Okay, now let's see. As you can see, the default RPM is selected as 4000, so we can decide, if we want, we can decide to reduce it. As you can see, so after I have selected, I will just press enter. Set here. The moment you select it, the next thing you need to do, you click set in order for it to select at that given value, which is the RPM. So now, as you can see, we have reduced the RPM. Now let's try and increase it again. Increase it to 2000 or 2400. Let's press it and see. As you can see, is now it has reached 2400 RPM. So let's increase it and see to 4000. Let's press enter. That is the set. As you can see, it's not gonna reach 4000 simply because the solar backup I have is not up to the rated capacity. Is not strong enough to produce up to that 4000 RPM. So this is the highest I can get, and the highest I can get is 5.9 amps. The wattage is 336 volt. As you can see. Thank you. Please do share and like my video. Thank you. Goodbye.